I can't stop eating, guys. I swear, you're gonna love this. What's up guys, Maidah here, the Drunken Chef, and welcome back to another video, another episode of our cooking trips. Today's such a lovely and sunny day, so having a really good and nice breakfast would be really perfect. That is why I'm going to show you how to cook a simple and easy but delicious scrambled eggs. But guys, this is not just a typical scrambled eggs, because I call this the Umami scrambled eggs my way. I sort of learned this recipe from a really special friend. I call her my better half. So what's up, Gab? So if you're watching, hello and hope you're doing well. So Gab, if you're watching, I know you're excited and this is one of your recipes, so I'm gonna make it really delicious. Anyway guys, enough of my introduction. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and if you have any comments or suggestions, don't forget to comment down below. Feel free to comment whatever you want. So yeah, let's dive into it. Of course you're gonna need eggs. Right now I'm gonna crack my eggs straight into my pot. So I've got here 3 eggs. Now our eggs straight into the stove. Medium heat. Then grab a spatula. And then now start mixing your eggs. So just mix. And literally take this out for 30 seconds. And then mix again. Mix for 30 seconds again. Back into the heat. 30 seconds. So I'm not yet salting or seasoning my eggs. Otherwise it's just gonna, get watery. So out of the heat, mix it again for 30 seconds. So as you can see, my eggs are getting there, quite there. Now I'm gonna add some salt. And from there, I'm gonna add my butter. Now I'm gonna add some sour cream. I'm adding my sour cream. And just mix. I'm mixing it out of the heat so it doesn't overcook. And from there, I'm just gonna splash a little bit of soy sauce, ½ teaspoon, then just mix it. Some peppers, and then back into our heat, really low heat. Now I'm adding a little bit of spring onions. Mix them. And right here I've got a flatbread. I'm just gonna reheat it straight into the stove. So now my eggs are ready. I'm gonna put straight into my plate. Look at that, so creamy, so delicious. My flatbread here. And now I'm just gonna finish this with some Bonito Flakes. And I'm just adding some Nori Flakes. And I've got here the chili powder, Japanese chili powder. And the final touch is some Parmigiano-Reggiano. Let's put that generously. Now I'm just adding some olive oil. And a mayonnaise just on the side. So there you have it. Umami scrambled eggs my way. Look at that. Smells so good. Umami scrambled eggs my way. Let's have a try, guys. This is really good. This is so delicious, so creamy, so rich. I can't stop eating, guys. I swear, you're gonna love this.